This weekend, me and my family set out on an adventure. We have 4 days to fit in as much as we can. From setting out exploring the beach, to crabbing, fishing, and even deep sea fishing. We do it all. Welcome to Westport. How do you feel about your first time on the beach, huh?
Good.
Good?
Awesome.
That's all you gotta say?
Awesome, actually.
Awesome, actually?
I love it here.
It's not a seashell, it's just a pretty rock.
Oh, yes.
It's a rock.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
Hey, you ready for your first time touching the ocean or what?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Kind of cold.
Oh, yeah, it's cold. Oh, yeah, it's cold.
Not for me.
We're not going.
All right, you going in or what?
Yeah.
Do it. What you going fishing for, Grandpa?
I got you, Uncle Jared's got you! Uncle Jared's got you!
Whoa, whoa.
Abel, no, get out of there!
Yeah, Spider-Man, how you feeling, bro? Oh, wait.
Watch the tide.
What are you doing?
Destroying my sandcastle.
Why are you destroying it?
Because I do.
Because you do. That doesn't make sense.
Because I want to.
Landon, what you doing over there, boy?
Making it sticky. Ta-da! Yay! The best
What you doing, buddy? All right, time to get some crabbing going, huh?
Take a nice piece of salmon, stuff that in there as much as you can. Take a piece of squid, open up the squid, just so when you cast it, it doesn't get an air bubble and floats. Stuff that in there as full as you can get it. Lock it up like that, and then you wipe your hands off.
Hey, at least Mom brought me another sweater, huh?
Broke.
Oh.
Took the whole thing off. Shit.
What broke? Oh man, I was afraid.
That was a hell of a good cast. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get some beer.
Grab my backpack in the back.
And your backpack and your glasses.
See that cast?
Yeah, first time casting, let's see how it goes.
Watch your head, Gramps. Watch your head, Gramps. Oh, shit.
Okay, so you hit him with the, like, and then on the way up, you go, right? Oh, shit. I tossed it up.
That's some good air, though. That was good air.
Not going for air.
Oh shit! That one didn't work very good, did it?
Hey, it went out there, though.
Here we go.
Let her rip.
Oh yeah. Oh. There's nothing.
Nada. Back out we go. Get him.
To be honest, it feels like nothing. First initial pull felt like there was something. Bro, I suck.
Feel like you got something or no?
Feels heavy. I don't know what it's supposed to feel like. Yeah, I got one.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Would you look at that? Oh, that's a big one, too.
Coming over.
Oh, damn.
It's a male. Maybe we got our first keeper.
Hey.
Look at this. We got all the squid. It wasn't down there that long.
That's crazy. All right, let's see. Is it big enough? What do you think?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, it's just short?
Yeah, it's short. It's got to be 6 inches.
Okay. Just short. Away he goes. Graham's going. Can he go 3 for 3? Where's it at? Oh yeah. Jeez, 3 for 3, sharp. Yo, he looks pretty big.
Female. It is a keeper though. A keeper size. It's goddamn female. Yeah, it would have been a keeper.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's just 6 inches too.
Yeah, that would have been a keeper. Only it was a male.
Stupid bitch.
Damn you.
Bait me up, Gramps.
All right, see if we get cast 2 a little better. Oh, that might be up. That's not bad. Yeah, that's pretty good. Getting better as time goes, I guess.
Gotta pull it slowly so they don't know it's coming. Damn, just doing it. Yo, Landon, what's up, bro? How you been?
Okay, ready? You got the cheer. You got the cheer daddy on. You have to say fast, fast, fast.
Oh, go, 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 go! Go, Landon! He's got 2! Will's got 2!
Around you, Will.
These cross the lines, oh my gosh!
Bring yours over mine.
Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. Yo, what the hell? Go, Gramps, go, Gramps.
No, I was feeling his.
Damn.
That's a red.
Yeah, I think that's crazy. Oh, that's cool. They tore yours apart, Gramps.
Yeah, they did.
Rather you're a sea lion.
Sea lion. Oh yeah, way out there.
Sea lion. Oh yeah, I told you.
First angry one we've had.
Come.
He's freaking out.
We got around 2 of his legs.
That's why he's pissed off. The other one's just vibing.
Look at the lies.
Hi, Mr. Crab. Hi, Mr. Crab. Oh, he killed me.
Got a baby in the first keeper, probably. Let's see.
Watch out, get back there, man.
On me. Do the crab. Don't touch it.
Go to the widest spot, not 6.
No.
Way.
Yeah, sure.
way.
It would be legal in Oregon and California, but not Washington.
Sadie?
Let's go to Oregon where we can do it.
Want to bite
You want to put it in a bucket and drive to Oregon?
So ashamed.
Put it in a bucket and drive to Oregon.
Got me. It won't hurt. It won't hurt. Watch.
Ah!
That fucker does hurt. Ow! Shit! Ow! Ow!
Won't hurt.
Ow! I thought it was small. Ow! It does hurt.
All right, last cast, and then we're about to go toss out the crab pots and whatnot. Last cast for now. Let's see what happens.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Fuck that. Don't subscribe.
There it is. Money, money.
All right, let's see if this last cast did me right. All right, shit on you. All right, now we're going crab potting because I guess the fishing thing wasn't work. So, about to get a pot and I don't even know what I'm talking about.
All right, we're getting some crab pots set up now.
Got her, Otter.
Actually, I'm not doing shit because I don't know how to do this type of stuff. But yeah.
Throw some chicken in there.
So you just toss a piece of chicken on there and just throw it down, huh? Homie's out here just vibing. What a guy. What a guy. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes and it's time to pull this thing up.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Cow.
There's a bunch, they're just too small. Little baby, tiny little crabs.
I would name him Pee-Pee.
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 That's a great name.
Oh, there might be one. Ah, no.
That's not big enough?
That's the closest one we got to big enough, but that's like 4.5.
What should we name that one?
You too.
Thank you.
Yeah, you want to go touch it or what?
No.
Why not?
Because it's dingy.
All right, but we didn't really catch a whole lot aside from like baby crabs and whatnot. No keepers. So if we can one crab, we're gonna have to go to the store and shit. But anyways, back to the beach.
Are you recording me?
What you doing out here, boy? What you doing, huh? Go. How you doing with the baby, mama?
Doing pretty good. She's trying to wake up, but I keep trying to get her back to sleep.
Keep shaking, keep shaking.
I know.
What are you doing? Why are you getting all wet, bro? You having a good time or what?
I'm gonna take that as a yes. Man, it's an absolutely beautiful day out here on the beach. The blue skies are like fucking nuts. Serenading as hell. I'm absolutely loving this. I'm like popping an absolute stiffy just looking out of the water. Fucking love it here. Holy shit. It's been such a nice day just chilling out here. Like it's not very often you get to experience this type of stuff. Like that was my first time ever fishing off a little pier like that, going for crabs too. Like that's my first time ever doing that, and that was absolutely awesome to experience. I didn't want to leave, honestly. Then coming back to beautiful beach with nice blue skies and everything, man, couldn't ask for anything better. Absolutely loving the hell out of this vacation so far, and it's not even over. Tomorrow's the exciting part though. Tomorrow we're gonna go on a charter boat. We're gonna go out deep sea fishing for some big salmon and rockfish, I believe. Not 100% sure, but I mean, you guys are gonna come along for that, so you'll see all of it for sure. But yeah, I'm just sitting here admiring the hell out of this. It's nice. You cannot tell in the camera, but man, it's absolutely beautiful right now. But yeah, we got the family back at home whipping up dinner and about to eat and pass out, and then we gotta be on this charter. We gotta be on this charter boat at 5 a.m. tomorrow, so I'm not really looking forward to that, but regardless, it's gonna be a great day tomorrow, and I'm excited. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to toss this thing away, go munch up, and probably pass out pretty quick after that. So yeah, I'll pick this back up tomorrow. Oh shit! Good morning, my friends. It is 3:46 a.m. and time to start putting a move on. We gotta leave at 4:30, so yeah, time to start getting ready. Fuck. Now the cool thing is we don't really have to bring that much because they got all the fishing supplies and whatnot, but basically we just got to bring what we need, which for me will be all my recording equipment, because I'm gonna try now to do the best I can to record the whole thing, but we'll see how that all goes. Dude, my face is burnt. I wonder if out on the ocean it's gonna get even burnt more. I'm scared. Alright, the gang's just packing up our final things, and then it's gonna be time to go. Will, you ready for this? It's too early for this. Alright, we made it out here on the boat, and yeah, we're just waiting to take off, basically. Just chilling on the front. It's kind of packed over in the back, so yeah. Also, I must say, this is gonna be a bit challenging to record, so bear with me, guys, bear with me. I'm gonna try my hardest. No way. So we literally tossed our rods down for like 5 minutes.
I know, I was like, it's gotta be bottom already.
Right?
Fish everywhere.
That'll happen in the span of like, I swear, 5 minutes.
Rapid fire. That was quick. It was quick.
Jeez, we were reeling them in like crazy. I've never seen something like that.
Fucking everywhere.
Got one?
I think so.
Round 2, caught myself a nice big canary. Yeah. Ready for round 3, Grandpa?
Ready for round 3.
Round 3 is commenced. Once again, we're absolutely swarmed. Shit's nuts out here. Holy fuck.
Sadly, I didn't get to record as much as I wanted to, but we still caught a ton of fish and had a great time. But anyways, the next day we decided to go out crabbing again. We caught a few crab, but sadly no keepers, and from that point it just felt like everything was going wrong. We ended up breaking the only 2 reels that we brought, and then we lost our bait from the crab pot.
Whole lot of nothing.
Wow.
They drug that piece of salmon away.
But luckily, we brought 2.
Oh my goodness, I am not pulling nothing. Now on.
I think it's time to call it good.
On our way back, we saw a sea lion, showed some love to the local wildlife, then we grabbed some food and had a nice little family dinner. And then we capped the night off with a family-friendly game called What Do You Mean? The next day, we woke up, packed up all our things, and hit the beach one last time, where the kid decided to play with a few animals we found.
Show mommy, show the
Say cheese.
And he was even nice enough to return them back to their natural habitat. And then we hit the road and went home. The end.
Oh, God.
How you doing out here, Grandpa?
Hey,
Catch any?
got one big old slimy bullhead. My nuts are getting wet.
All right, we're making another bet. How many pukers are gonna be today?
I have a lot of faith of the people on board this shit.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go 2.
2?
2.
Hopefully it's 0. I mean, that'd be cool, but yeah, we'll see what happens.
And if not, I'll puke twice.